Hello people and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel. We'll start today's episode off with a road rage between two drivers, because one of them clipped another one as he passed by. Check out this crazy encounter between the two. It's no secret anymore that a lot of drivers don't know how to behave at a roundabout, and that's exactly the case in this video as well.
You out there block traffic, you idiot.
We have a pure example of how a self-entitled and an impatient driver acts in traffic. The light was red, but that didn't prevent him from creeping out onto the road bit by bit. A lesson for him: no matter how much you pull out onto the road, a red light is still a red light.
Oh my God.
In this situation, the camera barely noticed a pedestrian at the side of the road and it almost came to a crash.
Shit.
Driver in a red pickup truck was making a turn, and no one could predict what he was about to do next. Pay close attention at his crazy maneuver, because he decided to reverse all of a sudden, and the driver who pulled out onto the road was not expecting it. SUV driver in front of the camera was really impatient, and he pulled out onto the road in front of moving traffic, and that's totally crazy, because the driver pulling a trailer had to take evasive action just to avoid hitting him. This camera was just minding his own business and riding around, but he caught a crash aftermath on his dashcam in which 3 vehicles were involved. It all happened because one driver was texting and driving. In this video, you'll see drivers making a lot of beginners' mistakes while driving. Camera caught it all on his camera. We have red light runners, drivers cutting right in front of others, not using indicators, not checking their side view mirrors or their rear view mirrors. Pay close attention and try to avoid making some of these mistakes.
We'll go over now. Well, you can turn, but stay on your side of the lane. What a jerk. Oh, I drive a Mercedes, so I can just... You are not smart at all.
Just because you drive a sports car such as Mustang, it doesn't give you the right to cut your way through traffic like there are no other people there. You're endangering yourself and others. And for what? For simply speeding and trying to be ahead?
Show, the reason. So here, state trooper. See, that's why you don't speed, buddy.
At 8:46, when searching for a business home field advantage, search the village of Bedford Park. Now, sports. Here's Joshua.
So the White Sox Tamara Anderson drives in 3 runs for
Wow, that's an easy one.
lose to Mexico in a World Baseball Classic match of 11.
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on Comet Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the fails you saw. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that will really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.